Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to unfreeze your Venmo account. First, if you're looking for an inside app tutorial, this is not the video for you. I truly apologize. I cannot log in as my Venmo account at the moment because I'm outside the US. So how to unfreeze it? So as you can see, Venmo frozen accounts. First of all, why my account is suspended. So of course, or how can I reinstate my account? So of course, if your account is suspended or frozen, it's probably because you violated some of their user agreements. I can see there is an article here that I've already read before. So normally you've done one of this following. You maybe did an unauthorized transaction, or maybe you violated the terms of service. You accepted it, of course, and you didn't read it, as most people do. Maybe you have some verification issues. Some of your documents are not verified. Maybe you tried to pay something and you don't have sufficient or funds. Maybe you did some precarious activity, or maybe you distributed some transactions. So those are the reasons that they might have freezed your account for them. And of course, how can you start or unfreeze it? So unless your account is suspended, suspension is different from freezing due to failed payment. Our team will need to assist you with this process via email. So please reply to the email that you received when your account was suspended or froze. Contact them, and you may need to check your spam folder if you didn't find it in the normal mail. And if you already have been contacted by our team, please refer to any email instructions to the next steps. And yeah, that's how you basically unfroze it. You'll have to contact the support. Other than that, you cannot do anything alone. So that's gonna be it for the video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.